Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to connect Vapi to N8N. First, go to the N8N website or open the N8N app. Now, click on Add First Step to start a new workflow. Then, search for HTTP and click on HTTP request. Here, select the method you want to use such as delete, get, head, or others depending on the action you want to perform with Vapi. Then, enter the URL of the Vapi endpoint you want to connect with. After that, select the authentication method. You'll see options like non-predefined credential type or generic credential type. Then, choose the credential type that matches your integration, such as Action Network API or Active Campaign API. If you're using the Action Network API, click on Select Credential and then click on Create New Credential. Now, enter your API key from your Vapi account and click on Save. Next, turn the toggle on or off depending on what you want to include, such as send query parameters, send headers, or send body. Once you're done setting it up, go back and double check everything. Your Vapi connection with N8N is now ready. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.